The vegetables I get from my garden are pretty limited, obviously, in the winter time. The one thing that is still growing is the Brussels sprouts. I have to say, growing up, I wasn't a huge fan of them because we usually had them cooked, and just the smell and the taste, it just didn't really do it for me. And I thought today I'd make a Brussels sprouts kind of slaw or salad. A nice light dressing with some Dijon mustard, top it off with some dried cranberries and toasted hazelnuts. It's a really quick and healthy recipe, something that's perfect for a midweek meal. I've washed them, trimmed them, and I'm just going to put them into my food processor. This is a really quick way to shred your Brussels sprouts. When you eat these raw, I think the finer you can shred them, the better, and this is a huge time saver. So I've got my shredded Brussels sprouts. Next I'm going to make the dressing. So for this dressing, it's super simple, making use of the really great Dijon mustard I can find here in France, and then upping the healthiness with some apple cider vinegar. For me, I love making dressings in the jar because it's really quick, easy, you get it emulsified the harder you shake, and it's just really practical. And any dressing you don't use, you just pop in the fridge. To that I'm going to add some Dijon mustard. This adds a really nice kick. A little bit of honey, that adds a touch of sweetness, some salt, some pepper, and then finally you need some vegetable oil. All right, get your lid on, give it a really good shake, and there you see, you've got a really nicely emulsified dressing. I've got my bowl of Brussels sprouts, nicely finely shredded. I'm going to add to that some dried cranberries. I love the texture that these add, as well as, of course, the sweetness. And then I've chopped up some toasted hazelnuts. A shredded Brussels sprout salad topped with some dried cranberries, toasted hazelnuts, topped off with an apple cider and Dijon mustard vinaigrette. It doesn't get any quicker, it's certainly healthy, and it's definitely tasty. I hope you give it a try.